Okay, inequalities. Right, x squared minus 5x plus 4 greater than 0. Let's factor it. That's x minus 4, x minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, right, if I put that on a number line. Right, my zeros are at positive 4 and positive 1. Okay, I'll just mark the 0 on the number line. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to test this area here, this area here, and this area here, okay, away from those critical values, in other words, the positive 4 and the positive 1. So, let's just test a 5. Let's see if 5 works. Okay, you can put it into here, you can put it into here, it doesn't matter. Okay, so if I put 5 here and 5 there, 5 take away 4 is 1, 5 take away 1 is 4. Is 1 times 4 greater than 0? Yes, it is, so this area will work, okay? Let's try a 2, between 1 and 4. Right, again, x minus 4, x minus 1, x minus 1, is it greater than 0? So put a 2 in there. 2 take away 4 is negative 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. Multiply those together, you get negative 2. Is negative 2 bigger than 0? No, it isn't. No good, that area. Okay, well, let's just try 0. 0 is nice and easy to use, okay, over here on the other side of the positive 1. So again, put a 0 here and put a 0 there. So again, x minus 4, x minus 1. If I put 0 here, I get negative 4. If I put 0 here, I get negative 1. If I multiply those two together, I'll get positive 4. That is bigger than 0, so this area is good here, okay? In other words, the good areas are here and here, but not here. So how do I write that? In interval notation, you write, okay, negative infinity to 1. Now, this doesn't have the equal sign, okay, it doesn't have the equal sign, this one does. So I'm going to use a parenthesis, and then 4 to infinity. And that's it, pretty much so. I mean, all you're doing with something like, say, these rationals, if you look at here, okay, all the zeros, right, if I do a number line, then can you see that 3 is a 0, looks like negative 2 is a 0, and positive 1 is a 0, okay? And again, I'll just put the 0 there on the number line. So I'm going to have to test this area, maybe test a 4, maybe test a 2, okay, between 1 and 3. You know, test the 0, it's always easy, and maybe test a negative 3. So you're going to plug those in and test. So I'll do it, may as well, let's have a look. Okay, so if I plug, let's say, a negative, well, let's plug, it's always easy to 0. Okay, if I plug a 0 in, right, again, if I put a 0, and a 0, 0 on top, I'm going to have negative 3 on there, okay? On the bottom, 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, multiply all those together. Doesn't really matter. Can you see 2 negatives? I've got 2 negatives. That will make a positive. Is a positive less than 0? No, it isn't. So this area will not work. Now, there's a good chance that this one will, and this one won't. Again, because a lot of times you find the pattern they alternate, but please do check. Okay, plug numbers in and see if it is less than 0. Okay.